Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we will cover text composable in Android Jetpack Compose in detail. So let's get started. Let me create a new project. I will upgrade the Jetpack Compose version. Go to the main activity. Clean up the unnecessary things. Put a box container. A text with hello world. Let's build it. You can see our hello world text is here. Now let's give it a color. We have lots of options for color. So you can see here there are lots of colors. Also, if you want a custom color, then you can do this. This way. So just you have to put the hex code of the color and this way your custom color will be used. Remember that the color code is ARGB. This is for alpha, this is for red, this is for green, then blue. So let me just revert back it to red. If we want to increase the size, then use font size. Suppose I want to give 20.sp. sp is the unit for text size. Let me increase the size, font size. So you can see when I am changing this value, the text is also changing its size. So it is possible by keeping on the live edit of literals. You can change it anytime here. If you want your text to be italic, then you can use the font style. You can see here font style italic and font style normal. So here we will use font style italic. Let's see. Now let's make our text bold. For that we have to use font weight. So here you can see there are lots of options for font weight, like bold, normal, black, etc. So here I will use the bold one. Let's see how it look like. Great. Now our text is bold. So let's try the black as well. Okay. And also you can use some numerical values like 200. Let me do it 400. Okay. If you want your text characters to be more spaced, then you can use letter spacing. Suppose I want 20.sp. Let's see. So you can see our text characters are more spaced than before. Sometimes we need the text to be underlined, strike through, or both. Let's see how we can do that. For that, we will use text decoration, maybe. Yes. Suppose I want the underline one. Now I want the line through. But if you need the both, then you have to use the combine. Inside the list you have to put both. So you can see line through and underline both are there. Let's see how we can align the text. We will use text align for that. By default the alignment is left, so let's use the right. So you can see our text is in the right side. Let's make it in center. Yes. So let's see what are the other options here. Yes, the left, right, center, end, start and justify. Let's keep it in left. If you want your text to take more or less space for each line, then you can use line height. It will take the same unit for text. Give it little more, so you can see it takes more, give it more. Yes, so this way you can change the line height for each line in your text. To control really big text by ending ellipses etc., we can use overflow. Let's try the ellipses. So see, the ellipsis is not working because we have not mentioned any size constraint. So let's do it by max line. Suppose we put 1. Let's see. So here you can see our text is showing a ellipsis at the end. So the ellipsis will not work alone. For that it need a constraint. For example, the maximum line count. Let's see what are the other options here. It says the clip. Let's try it. Yes, the text is clipped. Now let's discuss about the font family. You can see there are some options like cursive, monospace, default, sans serif, serif. Let's suppose we want the cursive one, and let's see what happens. Yeah, so our text is right now in cursive. Let's remove the text decoration one. The max line, overflow, line height, text align, letter spacing, remove them all so that I can understand how the font looks like. Let's use the other one, maybe the monospace one. The serif, let's use the sans serif. Okay, so these are some built-in font family, but if you want a custom font, then we can use that also. For that, let me download Google font. Suppose we want the XO, maybe XO 2. Yes, it will looks like a little bit different. Suppose I need the regular one, the regular italic, the bold one, let's download. You can see our font is downloaded. Let's put these fonts in our Android Studio project. I need the bold one, italic, regular, and the bold italic. Copy those, go to Android Studio, Open the project pane, expand the resource folder, double press the shift, type font. You can see the font folder is already selected. Enter, finish. So here you can see our font folder is created. Click it and paste the fonts. Okay, so right now we have our fonts here, but the naming are not okay, so we have to change the name here. Go to the Explorer. I will change the names manually. XO2 bold, XO2 bold, italic, XO2 italic, and XO2 regular. Awesome. So go back to Ender Studio and you can see the error gun. So let's see how we can create a new font family. Okay, so our font family is created. Now let's use it. So you can see our custom font is already applied. Let's use its bold. Yes, it's working. Let's use the italic also. Yes. So this way you can use your custom font as well. Now let's talk about the soft wrap. To understand what is soft wrap, let's make our text little bit bigger. Run it. So you can see our whole text try to be in within one line. So let's change it to true. Yeah. So right now our text is broken in few lines. Let's make this word little bit bigger. Yeah. So this way we can control how our text will be broken in few lines or it cannot be broken. We have discussed about lots of available styles of text, but if you want to reuse same text style for many text, then you have to define text style once and have to use as many time as you want. For that we can use text style. Almost all the things we controlled can be packaged in a single text style. Let's see how we can do this. For that I will declare a new variable suppose we want the color red, font weight bold, font style italic, font family the custom font family, suppose we need underline as well. Okay, that's enough. Let's try this. So copy the variable and apply here. So you can see our text style is applied. So this way you can reuse your text style anywhere. Now let's see how we can mention the background of a text. For a paragraph like text, we may need different indentations for first and rest of the lines. Let's see how we can do this. Let's see how we can set text shadow. So guys, we have discussed lots of available text composable features. Hope this was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.